Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. I am going to teach Act 3, Scene 3. Okay, I am going to teach Act 3, Scene 3. I am also going to discuss few question answers. Okay, come on, let's start. Act 3, Scene 3 takes place in Venice, a street. Enter Shylock, Salarino, Antonio, and Gawler. Okay, now who is Gawler? Gawler means jailer. Now, other characters, you are all familiar with these characters. Okay, come on, let's start. Shylock. Now, Shylock is telling to Gawler, look to him. Tell not me of mercy. This is the fool that lent out money gratis. Gawler, look to him. Now, Shylock is telling Gawler, guard him closely. Now, who is this him? Him is referred to Antonio. Guard him closely. Do not speak to me for mercy. This is the fool. Okay, now Shylock is calling Antonio fool. Okay, and telling that Antonio lends money without gratis. Now, lends money gratis, not without, lent out money gratis. Now, what's the meaning of gratis? Gratis means without interest. Okay, so Shylock refers Antonio as fool and tells that he lends money without interest. Keep him in your charge. Okay, Shylock is telling Gawler to keep Antonio in his charge. Antonio, hear me yet. Good Shylock. Now Antonio wants to tell something to Shylock, but Shylock refuses to listen. Now Shylock tells, I will have my bond. Speak not against my bond. I have sworn an oath that I will have my bond. Thou callest me a dog before thou had a cause. But since I am dog, beware my fangs. Now fangs means teeth. Okay. Now what's Shylock replying? Look. Shylock is telling, I will have my bond. Do not speak against my having the bond. I have sworn an oath that I shall have my bond. You called me a dog without any reason. Therefore, since I am a dog, beware of my teeth. Duke will grant me justice. I am surprised at you, worthless jailer, that you are so foolish to bring him outside the jail at his request. Now Antonio once again telling, I pray thee, hear me speak. Okay, Antonio once again telling, I request you, hear me speak. Shylock. Now look what Shylock is telling. I will have my bond. I will not hear thee speak. I will have my bond and therefore speak no more. Okay, look what Shylock is telling. I will have my bond. I will not hear you speak. I will have my bond. Speak no more. I will not be a soft and stupid fool to shake my head and feel sorry. Okay, to the Christian pleaders. Okay, now next. Salarino. Now, Salarino gives his view. What is Salarino telling? It's the most impenetrable cur. Cur means dog and impenetrable means hard-hearted. Okay. Now, Salarino is telling that this is the most hard-hearted dog. This means Shylock. Shylock is the most hard-hearted dog because Antonio is pleading again and again and Shylock is not listening. Okay. Now, Antonio is telling, let him alone. I will follow him no more with bootless prayer. Bootless means useless prayers. Okay. He seeks my life. He means Shylock. Shylock wants to take my life. His reason, well I know. I often delivered from his forfeitures many that have at time made moan to me. Therefore, he hates me. Okay. Now, forfeitures means penalties. Okay. Now, Antonio is telling that leave me alone. I will follow him no more with useless prayers. He wants to take away my life. He means Shylock wants to take away my life and I know the reason very nicely. Often I have rescued from his clutches those who could not pay their debts and many times have appealed to me for help. Okay, those people who have appealed to me for help from Shylock clutches, I have mishelped them. And this is the reason that Shylock hates me. Okay, Antonio is giving his view. Now Salarino is telling, okay, look what Salarino is telling. I'm sure the Duke will never grant this forfeiture to hold. Salarino is telling, I am sure that the Duke will not allow such a penalty to be imposed. Antonio, the Duke cannot deny the courts of law, for the commodity that strangers have with us in Venice, if it be denied, with much impeach the justice of the state. Okay, now look what Antonio is telling. Duke cannot but allow the law to take its course. The right which foreigners have in Venice cannot be denied. Okay, if the rights are denied, then what will happen? It will do harm to the justice of the state. Okay, therefore, the Duke cannot do anything. Okay, and now Antonio in the end telling, well, jailer, let us go. I pray to God that Bassanio may come to see me pay his debt. Okay, before his death, Antonio wants to see Bassanio. Okay, Now let's see the question answer. First question is, who should beware of Shylock's fangs? Okay, answer, Antonio should beware of Shylock's fangs. Next is, okay, look, Shylock fangs, it's a typing mistake. I've written double G, okay, it would be single G, okay, Fangs, okay, it's just a typing mistake, just ignore it. Next is, who are the people who called Shylock dog? Okay, again in people, People, another typing mistake. Okay, just ignore it. Who are the people who called Shylock dog? Answer, Antonio, Bassanio and other Christians called Shylock dog. Next is, what makes Shylock call the gaoler naughty? Answer, Antonio walks around in the street of Venice bound by a jailer. According to Shylock, the gaoler was so foolish to bring Antonio outside the jail at his request. So Shylock calls the gaoler naughty. Clear? Next question. What had Shylock asked the jailer to do earlier in the scene? Shylock has asked the jailer to watch Antonio closely lest he should escape. Clear? Next question. What makes Antonio say that the Duke cannot refuse the law to take its course? Answer. The Duke cannot allow the law to take its course because the right which foreigners have in Venice cannot be denied to them. If the rights are denied, it will do harm to the justice of their state. And the last question, what is Antonio's last wish? Okay, Antonio's last wish is to see Bassanio, his dearest friend, before he breathes his last. Okay, up to this much. Now two typing mistakes are there. You should ignore those. Okay, and I hope you will watch this video. Okay, and you will like this video. Okay, in my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.